Hello, I'm Philippe Doyle-Gray, and in this video I'm going to show you how to configure Evernote on your iOS device to properly deal with business cards. So first of all, let's open the Evernote app, and hopefully it will look something like this. Before we start configuring Evernote, we've got a few preliminary settings to check on. First, make sure that you're signed in to your Evernote account. If you are, your name should appear at the top left-hand part of the screen. If it's not, you'll need to sign into your account for things to work properly. Either way, just press on the gears icon and that'll take you to the settings screen. If you're signed in, you'll see your details. If you're not signed in, this is where you do it. The second thing is to ensure that you have the correct type of account. You need a premium account. If you don't have a premium account, you need to go back to the Evernote website and upgrade your account to premium. Then come back to your iOS device and put in your details again. The third and final step is to ensure that you have the correct version of Evernote for iOS. And the way you do this is to scroll this page to the very bottom, where you'll see the details of the software that you're running. What's important are the first two numbers after the word Evernote, 7.9. If you're running Evernote 7.9 or greater, then this is the video for you. But if you're running an earlier version and what you see looks different, then perhaps you'll need to upgrade your version of Evernote before coming back to these instructions. Having got those three preliminary matters out of the way, it's now time to properly configure Evernote to deal with business cards. To do this, we need to select on the General option in Settings. We then need to select the options relating to the camera. Finally, we need to select the camera options that relate to business cards. You'll see from the business card configuration screen there are four sections. The first deals with LinkedIn, the second deals with your contact information, the third deals with organisation and filing, and the last deals with follow-up options. First, let's go to LinkedIn. To properly configure Evernote, you need to connect Evernote to LinkedIn, and you do this by pressing the Connect button. That will take you to an internet browser, and you'll be asked to enter your email and password for your LinkedIn account. Not your Evernote account, this is your LinkedIn account. So let's put in our details and then select Sign In and Allow. You're now connected to LinkedIn. If you ever want to disconnect from LinkedIn, just select the Disconnect button up here. Now let's go to section 2, which is your contact information. Select that second panel and you'll be taken to this screen. There are quite a lot of fields and some of them are incomplete. Depending on how much information you've given Evernote and how much information about yourself is on your iOS device, these fields will be populated to various degrees. For any missing information, you can add it. Just focus on the green circles with the plus signs. When you're happy with that, just press Save. The third section is the organisation and filing panel, and there are three options: Notebook, Tag and Save to Contacts. Notebook and Tag are options that allow you to automatically file business cards or to automatically apply a tag to business cards. If that's what you want to do, press on either or both of those two options. But the most important option to configure here is the Save to Contacts option. What this does is it prompts you after you've scanned a business card and after Evernote has extracted the information to save that contact information in your own contacts. You need to enable that by pressing the button. Fourth and finally are the follow-up options, and these work just like Save to Contacts. When you scan a business card, you'll be prompted. If you're connected on LinkedIn, you'll be prompted to send a LinkedIn invite. And if you supplied your contact information in the second section, you'll be prompted to email your contact information to the person you've just met. Again, just make sure that option is switched on. I hope that's been useful, and if it has, then perhaps you might be interested in some of my other publications. I'm a lawyer interested in the application of technology in legal practice to enhance cost effectiveness and deliver justice. I've got quite a number of written publications and YouTube videos about various aspects of technology in legal practice. For a complete list, Google my name, Philippe Doyle Gray, or connect with me on LinkedIn.